Long time coming, long time received. Let's fucking go. SVR for our county.
Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, east central Rock County in south central Wisconsin until 5:30 p.m. At 5:03 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Darien, or near Delavan, moving north at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Delavan, Darien, Richmond, Millard, and Delavan Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.